Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the company stocks tile. In the next window, you will see a preview on the left where you can see live changes to your feed. Click on the left corner of the preview to toggle the content views. Available content views are individual symbol and movers. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize This button to make further customizations. Choose your content views. Once again, available content views are individual symbol or movers. If individual symbol is selected, you have the option to include top companies. The default is the top 50 companies, and set the amount of companies you wish to include, or set your own specific symbols. Specify which symbols to include by entering in a business name or symbol. Remove symbols from the included symbols list by clicking the X next to the symbol name. Exclude symbols from the graphics, either movers or individual symbols, in the same manner. Once your content view is set, click the style buttons to choose a style from either the preset buttons or select the custom style button. From here, you can adjust preset fonts, change the background type, adjust colors for text, name text, up arrow, down arrow, name background, background, intro text, and intro background. Optionally, you can enable or disable animation and choose an intro style, background, and message. Set the language you wish to have your feed presented in, and then also set the duration. The default for duration is 10 seconds. Choose your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, and Direct URL. Click Create Feed to create your feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.